Now, I wanted to go long there, but took a long there. But the thing is, it's kind of still a bit too early, and the volatility is it's pretty high. So, but this was telling to me, so this double bottom. Mention double bottoms there. You could use this low here for continuation, but being that that previous candle was we got 13 seconds, so probably you can see a pullback. I want to see a pullback. Um, see a pullback back. This level is holding, so might see something here. Wow, this thing is holding. Let it go. Let's see it test this low. Nice push up here. Let me see a continuation. I'll be targeting the high here. Put this on here so they can see. I'm playing here. Right at this zone here. I want to see it hold this zone for continuation. It's a quick 1-to-1. Going for a 1-to-1 here. Once we get to the 1-to-1, then I'm gonna lock in profits. Alright, I'm locking in. Alright, lock it in there. Mm. Damn. Should have just put it at break even. Would have got. Should have placed it at break even, but it is what it is. But it's a nice run up though. Nice run up. It's the run up I was looking for. But it happened way before my time, so I'm not gonna happen way before the time I normally like to trade, so kinda like to filter out all this noise here. Oh, let me check something. I have to check something too before I forget. Running up. Running up. Running up. Running up. Running up. Nice. Nice run up. See, I would have made too tight on my stops. Way too tight on the stops. Dun, 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 dun. Way too, way too tight on the stops there. Nice run up, man. Damn. Nice, nice, nice run up. Shit. Shit. Nice run. And I was. So I just don't like to place a trade so early. But that's the thing, man. When it works, it works. That's the shit that sucks with it. It's just when is when it works, it pans out. Didn't work. Didn't work the other day when I was just trying to make a slight $40. This day right here, same shit. You know, I think it was. Yeah, was it this day or the day before? Yeah, it was the day before. I was just trying to make a little $40. It didn't work that day, but it works today. I tell you. I guess on days I guess days, I just gotta pick my days wisely, or just get out of the trade. I hate that. So I was willing to take it, wanted to take it, wanted to take the trade. It was a really really good setup, but it's just way too early. So that was one trade for the day that panned out, but was only able to take it on my sim, which I kind of should have went a bit more heavy on my sim. we just get a freeze just now? Alright, so we got divergence here. Yeah, I was looking forward to going long there. I mean going short there, but I needed more confirmation. Plus it's still um before we still had a 10 minutes ahead, 8 minutes ahead to be exact. But we having some good moves here that I'm really liking, but still trying to get a read on the chart. I like I like the I like the momentum that we're getting. I like the follow through that we're getting. I like the movements. I like the volatility. I like the volume. I like the volume we're getting. So we got some really good volume. Nice, decent follow through you're getting this morning. So right now we just um, so we sold off this top here. All right, so we sold off the top right here. This is where we opened. This is where we closed. So we opened here, got it as high as I say the high was here. This is the high here. Boom. It's the high right there. This is the low here. Right there. High and low. We found some Don't use this so much, but let's see what this is about. All the way up there. It's right there. Then with that shit. Wow, right there. Bounce. Like that. I like that. Yeah, right back down. want to get above. I'm gonna hold this. So we got divergence here, and this is nice. There's a possibility we can hold this level here. It's a possibility we can hold this level. Let's see. I'm gonna take my first trade on this. I'm liking this. But I want to see the low hold. Alright, shit, I missed the entry. Missed the entry. It just happened so fast. Happened so fast. Let's just settle down for. Let's wait. Let's wait. Cause it's the first pullback, anyways, right? I do like this level though. But let's see this low get swept, and then if we can reclaim it. About sold out. Yeah, there you go. Sold off. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that would have cost me. I kind of chased. I put my almost chase. Good thing I missed it. There you go. I kind of should have looked for short, but yeah, should have known that. Should have known that. Alright, what the 15-minute looking like? Right by VWAP and the volume. Pay attention. The price is telling you. Pay attention. But that was a good yeah, bear trap. Bear trap. They claimed bears probably got out. Oh no, this was yeah, this was. Wait, hold on. Let me see something. Yeah, this was a bear trap here. They came out, but price held. We pushed up, so price held the low. We pushed out, then we sold off again, and then we sold off again. But I think this is the area. I think this is the low right here. Flush out those. Yeah, I think this is it. So we just gotta wait. I just gotta wait for confirmation here. This is where I want. This is the area I want to go long at. You just gotta wait for the confirmation here. All right, so we're just waiting for confirmation. This is where I want to go long. Just waiting for the confirmation. 5-minute candle close. I'm gonna touch this low again. I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute candle close. The low. I want to see this low tested again. I'm just waiting for that confirmation. Buys again and absorb there. Don't want to enter in so soon. I want to get in too early. point of control is at 211. So approximately right here. Close. Getting bought up there. Let's see. This is why I said I don't want to wait for that confirmation. So we wait. We wait for confirmation. We could we could look at this and say sure, but no. There's 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 buyers stepping up in this thing. I just need confirmation. So yeah, for that confirmation. Is this it? Nope, not yet. Nope, nope, nope. Sellers are strong right now. Alright, sellers are strong. Just gotta wait. I have to wait till the 15-minute candle close. We need that confirmation here. Usually I would just jump in, right? But nah, not gonna do that yet. I have to wait for these confirmations. I didn't get the confirmation to buy yet. Selling pressure is it's really there. Just like we got the thing about with the nice, the thing about with that sell, man, that sell wasn't. It wasn't. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna wait. This is a little dangerous territory, so just gotta wait. I'm gonna move this point of control here, cause it look like we caught some support down all the way down here, so I'm gonna just set it for right there for right now. Um, but yeah, as of right now, see the rest of the market. We got Apple holding up here. We have Nvidia selling off. Nvidia selling off tremendously here. Apple's holding up, trying to hold up. You know, Google's pushing up a bit. Microsoft is trying to hold the lows here too. So damn. Wow. All right. There we go. All right. So we don't have no confirmation. Just have to wait now. So now, to be honest, this looks like, all honesty, um, let's remove this. I just want to move this out the way real quick. All honesty, don't see the reversion yet. It's like a seller's market to me. It's like a seller's market. Yeah, it look like a seller's market. Um, but up here, I saw the divergence. Let's see, I saw the divergence in the range, but I didn't get the confirmation for a short, so I didn't take it. Um, oh yeah, I did actually. Yeah, yeah, right before my eyes, I just looked away. Let me see something here. Yeah, I did look at it. See here, this was a damn nice short, bro. This is it right here. So we had the short here, and you had to pull back, and we could have, and then retest, like price retest right back into that little zone here, and then we sold off. But um, yeah, this is way too far for my liking to take. That should have been about a 20 point, 27 points. It's way too much, especially. But shit, look at that. So we gotta wait for those confirmations. One thing about this, something. One thing about this range is gonna be definitely gonna be some trades to take on this range chart. Not on this one, but let's watch the range. Trade, fuck around. Actually, flatten it. Take a short here. Boom. On the range there. Take a short there. Boom. Got divergence right at the thing. Just messing around with this range chart. That's because only five. Lock in the rest. Boom. Boom. Nice. Cause it should be going break the low there. Oh, stop me out. We got low there. Ooh, broke down. Broke that high now. Here goes this high right here. Wanna hold this. Boom. Right below it. Short it. Short it. Especially a nice trendy day. There we go. Boom. Dun, 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 dun. Kinda wanna test the waters on this, but I'm not going to. Like we found some support here. Like especially a quick scout. Oh, there we go. I think this is a long here. Let's see on the 3 minute. Might be a long for me. Sold off so much. Just waiting. I'm liking this long here. Wow. Wow. Yeah, it took a long here. Whatever. They ain't banked for nothing. Probably lost 6 cents there. I like the long there, but it's short. These sellers, man. These sellers are not. Sellers is not lining up. Wow. Sellers. This is so extended, man. Let's try it again. Ah, I missed it. Kind of wanted more, but I was just like securing. This is so extended. It's like we're gonna get a push up here. This might be it here too. Honestly, it might be it. This might be it. Missed it. There you go. Give me a push up there. There we go. Give me a push up. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Try and squeeze out as much as you can out of this. Alright, we stalling here. It's holding though. There we go. I'll take that. I'll take that. Take that. Good way to start off. Okay. Alright. Small gains. Small gains. That's all that matters. Small gains. Do this shit with small gains. Um, what did I see here? Oh, the divergence. That's what I saw. By stepping in. You can't. In some cases, you just gotta use a lower time frame because we think about it. If I would have got in um at this candle close, like if I wait 20 seconds, the whole 5 minutes to say this is confirmed that this possibly be the bottom. Um, yes, it could have went against me in a sense where I just took, but you have to take the risk. You have to read the chart. You have to see absorption. You have to understand what price is doing. You got level of psych levels, for instance. But this can continue to push further. You can definitely get in again right here at this candle. Being at this candle close, get in again. Get in for another run. Attempt to break the highs now. You can definitely do that. I could have waited for this candle to close and get in at a pullback, but I decided. I said, look. But yeah, that's the push. This is the push up here. There we go. So you could wait. Could have waited. I think ideal best thing was to do was to wait, but I seen what I saw, and I took the trade based up on that and based up on the risk parameter. So to me, that was a good execution. Just wait. You take the trades. I mean, you could take trades like that. Um, yeah. So just that alone, that was one of my A plus setups right there. A plus setups. But overall, I think this market is um, we still in a downtrend. Um, from what I can tell, right? We had this 20 200 level here. We have this 200 level here where we have VWAP lies, VWAP lies. It was an area structure that was broken there. Um, so we have VWAP, we have break of this low, this open low. Um, what else? What else we can tell from that area? So we have point control there. We have support right here. Point control there. Let's look on the 15 minute. Let's look on the 15 minute here. Let's see. So you can tell, like, can tell this is a nice bull candle. Um, this is showing reversion. Look at the volume. Delta is pretty strong, but there's more aggressive. See, this is the thing. There's more aggressive sellers than buyers, but that's to show that a lot of selling pressure was absorbed at that low. Um, but as I was saying, there is some coming in some support here, so we can break this support and we can if we can break this support, then we probably see a reversion, right? If we can break this support and then use it as, I mean, sorry, if we can break this resistance and use it as support, can't really label it, but I need to label it. Boom, 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 boom. if we can break the support resistance. 15 minutes resistance. 15-minute resistance. We can break this if we can get above that resistance line, this resistance. We can get above that and use it as some sort of so we can get above here and then bounce, turn it into support. Which we're testing now. So there's resistance there. But it's gonna still be a bit tough here because we still have structure structure high. I mean, yeah, this is the structure break. So we still have this to get through, and we have a ton of volume. Well, it doesn't look like a lot of volume here. We have volume down here though. The value area is all the way up here. So there's a possibility that price is gonna get pulled back to this high here, to the value area, and um, but can we get there in one push what's the word I'm looking for? In one move, there's a possibility we can get it. But what I'm looking for will be more so of a break above. So we did get the break above and possibly use this as some sort of support now, and head higher, create some sort of low and head higher. But according to the spy, the spy is moving, and that was another thing too I could have looked at, but I didn't see until after that spy they created some sort of double bottom. Uh, did I take profits too early? Could have, but I mean that was I got more than I got a 2-to-1 there, so I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. That's a good trade so far. All right, I'll be right back. Look at that. So we know this is a strong area, right to the T. So now we have this area is acting as support, and then we have this other support zone, and we have this. So based on order flow. Mm-hmm. Yep. There we go. I'm trying to get back up. I'm trying to get above it. Nice. All right. So in this case, why? See now, this wouldn't be an area. Not according to myself, but this wouldn't be an area that I'll long into, right? I wouldn't long here, nor would I long here, right? Because I know this is area we have we have strong resistance, right? And then we're coming up on another resistance structure zone, right? We just broke, right? Which is not a promising risk standpoint, risk to reward standpoint. So in this area here, I would more so look at it as a zone that can basically almost tell me a change in character. and give me an idea of the change in character. Um, so, so yeah, so this area would give me the idea of a change in character. If, if, if we would have probably potentially close strong and then, maybe revert back to the area and try to use it as. But as of right now, what I'm seeing, I'm seeing that buyers aren't strong enough, especially coming off of a strong sell off that we just had, right? We just had a nice little strong sell off. Um, yeah, price sold off, and hold on, I'm looking at something here. So yeah, price sold off, and now what it looks like we caught a floor and we bounced, but we only bounced to make a retracement to continue to go lower, from what I'm assuming. You know, we still haven't got confirmation that this is a reversion, and this is if this is a retracement. Still haven't got confirmation yet. So, um, but these are the criteria that I look for in order for me to say this is maybe a change in character, and we're probably gonna head back up. There's certain things that I look for, and there's certain things that I look for to say, hey, we may continue to go lower. So, neither has presented itself, but I feel like I'm leaning more to the lower side than continue to go higher. Yes, we can continue to go higher, but based on the overall market and the overall market, what it's doing, based on what I see as far as trend wise and all the layers we have to get above in order to say this is a change in characters. We do have resistance here. We have a structure zone here. Price and volume is weakening. So we could potentially see a fight between buyers and sellers in this area for quite a while until we say, all right, this is where we want to go. So we have to wait. So as of right now, um, yeah, we just let price do its thing, and then once it chooses a side, we wait for that confirmation to get on that side that it chose, and then take it from there. I don't even know why I put a thing right here. But all honestly, I wish I had took. No, no, let me not even say. I wish I took the short because honestly, I did not see. Well, let's see if we can look at. Oh, yeah, wow. So this is the overnight market, which I tend not to look at a lot. I don't look at this. So this is the pre-market, overnight market, and as we can tell in here, we look like we came right into resistance. Well, had I known this, but it still was. Think about it. It still was at what 15 minutes before the time that I trade. So I mean, 15 minutes before the time that I trade, but overall, look at that. Wow, you know, that was a nice sell, but you can't get them all. It's okay. I'm fine with that. You know, um, something that you just had to take. But yeah, until we see the like I said, this looked like a oh, this is a sell. Yeah, according to Webster's dictionary. Let me stop. I could take a sell. I could take a short. Take a short there. Risking about 40 there. I took a short. This is a sim play. So I like to do these things just to build up um not only confidence but just for good practice. For good practice. But I don't think I don't think we're gonna get the push right away. We do have to get through this low to see a nice flush. So I don't have to get through this low right here to see a nice flush, and I don't, we could possibly get it right away. Who knows? Who knows? But we got a test of the high here, test of the high here, in this candle. So we have about, I don't know, 2 minutes, roughly 2 minutes for this candle to close. We could possibly get a test of the high. We could probably try to take the high out and then revert. That's what I would like to look. I would like to see. I would like to see us. But if you think about it, if we wait for that, I'll be taking another miss, just like what happened right here. You know. But let's see. Let's see. I'll be missing out on another trade, just like the one that I missed here. So you can possibly see no retracement and just continue. But this is the first leg pullback. This is a bit too soon. Like I said, one, two, reject. I want to see a break of this low there. But I feel like we almost have to test the highs again before we get the break of the low. That's what I will wait for. But we don't have to. But I'm almost sure we might test those highs again, see if it holds, and then revert to the downside. But based on what I'm seeing here, like I said, test those highs. But we have bull trap, then we have the bear trap, then the bear claimed again, and we claimed again. So this was my indication saying, all right, we're gonna go lower here, and then we did go low. We did sell off, but there's a possibility you can test these highs again. But these are the lows that we need to break. These is a lot of support here. So we have a lot of support right here. Have support right here. If we break these two support, then we can see this support get. We can touch the target, which is um, 150, 146 to be exact. So I'll just go for 150 here, just to say. But I want to see these two taken out. I want to see one, two taken out. There's the point of control area right here. And if we flush and we can just get that, you can see that 150 area get tapped. If not, we'll take out the point of control of this high. We'll test the high again. And if we get above the point of control from the high, then we gotta just reassess. But now we creating a structure. You can tell we have a structure here that's just created. So this is what I was saying. We could probably push higher. This is why I took the trade on the sim because it's not clear enough for me yet, especially the zone that we in. So as you can tell, we probably get stopped out here. So you stopped out. So that's what I was saying. Test the high. I was just calling that. Test the high, and then all that. Oh yeah. So now, what I want to see now again, being that we test the high, and if we don't hold, and we come back down into the zone, and we close below this low or this candle, I would take another entry for a short, trying to hold this high again. But we gotta close below the low. Or yeah, we gotta close below the low. Maybe retest and reject, and then we take the trade off for that, so we can um we can lock in a better risk reward. But but yeah, that'll be my second attempt there. The first attempt wasn't bad, but it wasn't the greatest entry. I would have preferred to get the entry around in here instead of, I think it was this candle here. But the way that this looking here, looking at this candle here, looks like price wants to, especially that we above. Um, I'm moving average here, so yeah, I want to see it. I want to see it get below this candle here. I want to see it get below it. I want to see it close below it. This is why I said highs get taken out, and then we have divergence here. We have divergence here, but you gotta wait. We have to wait. So you wait. So we see the plays happening, right? But we have to wait. All right, there we go. We have to wait for confirmation. Confirmation is key. So we did get down here, but it looks like price is holding here. It look like price is holding here. And it's a bit choppy on the minute chart, but it looks like price want to hold. But remember, I said I want to see price come down. All right, then we can take a potential sell there and lock in a tighter risk. And this could be first target would be right here, the structure, and then after the break of structure, there we go lower. And this is if let's say we have two contracts. Let's put two contracts on here. 16 gigas. Alright, so we just slightly risking above the high, just in case price decides to sweep. But yeah, target would be down here, and then the break of structure, and then probably right down to resistance zone. Let's see how it pans out. This will be the second entry here again, right down to that low. But all in all, I wouldn't take this trade because of the area we're in. I said he's gonna have a tug of war here. So this trade, honestly, I wouldn't take because like I said, we're in a chop zone. So it's pretty much price trying to figure out where it wants to go. And then after it figures out where it wants to go, then um then you can just basically piggyback off of that. But right now it's in a chop fest. Only thing is just place just place just stops kind of wide and just hope it goes in your favor. You know, when you playing when you playing areas like this. You know, but it looks like it just want to go. You want to go higher. So, but I think the change of character. So I'm assuming buyer's a bit stronger here. So there is a change of character occurring. So it looked like we're favoring the longs. So buyers are stepping in. All right. So now we have to change the character. Now, so we did hold up. So all right. So this is no longer. So now what I would do is I'll wait. I'll wait for this area. I'll wait for price to come back in this area and use it as support. If we could push up right here, but this wouldn't be the trade. I'll wait. But for the hell of it, we could take it. Being that we got out of that, we got it out of that. We got out of that. We got out of the shit. Well, I can't speak right now. We got out of that chop. We got out of that chop. We got out of the chop. Could probably see some value pick up here. Potentially see some volume pick up. Hold above VWAP. Like sellers are trying to push this thing out, but the thing is now is like with that huge volume coming, especially coming from, especially coming from lows with barely any bears stepping in, and with this nice bull candle here with some decent volume behind it, you would expect a follow through. There you go. Don't want to see price come back down to this. Barely any sellers, mostly aggressive buying here. A lot of aggressive buying here. There you go. A lot of aggressive buying there. Hold the line. There's point control right there. There you go. Get up there. There you go. Boom. Hold the line. Hold the line. Placing. There you go. Tighten it up a little bit there. Uh, hold the line. There you go. Slightly tighten it up underneath that. There you go. Slightly. But yeah. So this is a change of character to me. Now, so pretty much what I'll wait for is another potential buy opportunity for continue to push high. Neither anywhere. None of this is it's good to buy or sell from right now. You can tell this is some sort of. I don't like this pattern at all. You know, if you're not, if you didn't get in at the low, see, look, it's crazy. If you didn't get in at the highs, and if you didn't get at the lows, anywhere in here is just you just pretty much just scalp. You can just scalp, and anywhere in there, it's just like you really don't want to be in anything, honestly. Once you know looking at a 1 minute time frame and you just want to scalp. Other than that, it's a no no. It's a no no. Don't want to mess with that at all. But I'm liking this here, man. I need to remove this. I don't need that shit. All right, let me go. I think I'm done streaming for today. Okay.